Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open our phone app, then go to the contacts section here, select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap on the camera icon to add photo to it, then select if you want to take photo or to just select photo from gallery. So let's select our photo. Here you can adjust it like this, and then just tap done, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.